How to know before you buy acreage or home with acreage what the pros and cons of agricultural use status in the state of Texas. AG exemption is not an exemption. The land will still incur property taxes, but is a special use appraisal of such land based upon the productivity value of the land, not the market value of the land. Example: tax liability of 40 acres without the agricultural use status. Market value $1,663,590. Property tax liability $38,889.74. Example: tax liability of the same 40 acres with agriculture use status for at least 5 of the last 7 years outside city limits. 5 of 5 past years if within the inside city limits. Revised AG assessed tax value $3,870. Revised property tax liability $90.47. Land does not automatically qualify for agricultural use because you install or put a few cows, chickens, goats, hogs, etc. on your property. There are specific requirements based upon each county in Texas. If you are buying or selling a property that has already been designated as AG use status, been taking advantage of the tax advantages of such, be aware. Rollback taxes of the 3 prior years' property taxes may apply to the sale and purchase of said property if the buyer fails to maintain or removes the AG use status after the purchase. That is why it is incredibly important that the possibility of that situation is negotiated and stated in the offer to purchase contract. Some county appraisal districts will put more emphasis on minimum acreage, while others will value the intensity of the agriculture practice involved. So you must check with each county specifically to determine what they require and terms to comply and qualify for the property you intend to buy or qualify. The only ag use intensity that is set in stone statewide is beekeeping requirements, minimum of 5 acres. 6 hives for the first 5 acres. 1 additional hive for each additional 2.5 acres, 20 acres maximum. CAD uses the term animal unit as a universal description in which 1 animal unit equals 1,000 pounds. So 1 adult beef or dairy animal would be considered 1 animal unit. A sheep is 0.16 animal unit, and goats are 0.19 animal unit. You must have at least 6 acres, 1 acre for homestead and 5 acres of land for the AG use appraisal status. If the land has no prior AG use status history, you will receive no AG use status appraisal value of the 5 acres until the 5 years minimum of AG use compliance has been applied for and completed with your local county CAD. Some lenders do not have experience with AG land purchases, so try to find one that does. Reach out and stop by the county CAD and find out what their AG use requirements are for the type of AG use you hope to comply with and implement. Your local AG extension offices are a great place to stop at and talk to about AG use options with their vast knowledge of domestic livestock farming and wildlife management in their respective areas and zones. Contact us at Aquaterra Real Estate for details.